Bowel cancer is the fourth most common cancer in the UK. Around 42,000 people are diagnosed each year. There are two main parts to the bowel, the large bowel and the small bowel. Bowel cancer can start in any part of the bowel, but is most common in the large bowel, which consists of two sections, the colon and the rectum. The colon is about 1.5 meters long and is made up of a further 4 parts: the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and the sigmoid colon. A cancer that starts in any of these sections is called colon cancer. The colon absorbs the water and some nutrients, leaving waste, which passes through to the rectum. This is the last part of the bowel and is where our body stores stool until we pass it out of the body. Cancers that start here are called rectal cancers. The treatment you need for a rectal cancer is different to treatment for colon cancer. Although much rarer, cancer can also start in the small bowel. When we eat, food passes from the stomach into the small bowel. This is where most of our food is digested. The small bowel is around 6 meters long and is made up of 3 sections: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. A cancer that starts in any of these 3 sections is called small bowel cancer. The bowel walls are made up of several layers of body tissues. Bowel cancers start in the innermost layer, known as the lining. Most large bowel cancers begin as a small growth called a polyp or adenoma. A small number of these can become a cancer if you don't have treatment. They can then grow into the muscle layers and then through the bowel wall. Doctors think most bowel cancers take 5 to 10 years or more to develop. Cancer of the bowel can sometimes grow into nearby organs such as the bladder. In men, a cancer that starts in the lower part of the bowel can grow into the prostate gland, and in women, it can grow into the womb. Bowel cancers can also sometimes spread to other parts of the body through the blood and lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is made up of lymph glands, which are part of the body's immune system, and one of the first places bowel cancer spreads to is the nearby lymph glands in the stomach or abdomen. The liver is a common place for bowel cancer to spread because blood flows directly from the bowel to the liver. It can also spread into the lung and the bones, but this is less common. The treatment you need depends on the part of the bowel it started in and the type of cell it started in. For more information, go to cruk.org/bowel.